thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you really enjoyed that. If you did, give it a like. But it's at this moment that we introduce a series of videos that we're producing at the minute called Drone School. These are going to give you practical exercises that you can take into the field with your drone. You can practice in your own time, and it's going to improve your flying and drone footage. If this is something you're really interested in, make sure you subscribe to my channel, which is down there. Make sure you hit the bell as well, because you're not going to want to miss these. These are going to be completely free and hopefully going to help you improve your drone flying and your video footage. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day. Stay safe out there, and we'll see you soon.